Hello, today I'm going to introduce about my final project. It's about digital watermark. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Febrian. I'm a final year master student at Institut Teknologi Bandung. I was born in Bandung and also live in Bandung. On this project, I was guided by Professor Sri Rejeki, or also known as Professor Siska. As we know now, we live in all digital era where all data and information is widely spread. In addition, access to information has also become easy. For example, we only need a few seconds to get a beautiful image from the internet. Unfortunately, not everyone wants to use this as well. Case of online data theft and patent claims has become unavoidable. This has resulted in many people starting to hesitate in publishing on the internet, some of whom are even afraid to use the internet. So, based on this problem, is there a way to prevent this data retrieval? Okay, let me introduce you to watermarks, one of solutions that can prevent this problem. Of course, we're already familiar with watermarks. We already know and even see firsthand how watermark works on images and videos. But actually, watermarks cannot only be used for that. We can even add watermarks on files, text, or audio. As an example for images and text, we can insert the ownership identity directly in the file. As for audio, we can insert another audio with high frequency so that there is a audio data that can be recognized but doesn't damage the original audio content when heard. In this project, I will focus on watermarks on image. Visually, the watermarks on image itself has several types. Some are visible and some are invisible. Of course, in publications such as images, we want a watermark that is both invisible and robust. Robust in this case means that watermark can still be recognized even though the image undergoes changes, such as image filtering, rotation, or image resizing. So this invisible watermark is my main research on this project. Maybe to illustrate to you, I will briefly explain the concept of an invisible watermark. The main principle in this watermark is to insert data related to identity of the ownership into the image. The data entered can be form of text or images. This insertion is performed on the pixel data of the original image, which can change the value of the pixel color sharpness. But the color changes that occur won't be significant, so these changes are still difficult to distinguish by the eye directly. And also, this process doesn't require sophisticated tool because can be only done with programming code. For example, I use Python. In this project, my ultimate goal is to create invisible watermark that has a good quality image and also resistant to watermark attacks. Here is the why workflow of my project so far. First, I will design a watermark with least significant method. Then I will improvise the algorithm with a number of other methods. Once that's done, I'll design a new more robust watermark using a Fourier transform. And also, I will improvise the watermark. So far, I've managed the first two stages. At the end, I will summarize the important points of the introduction of this final project. First, the problem I will raise is the prevalence of theft and data claims, especially on the image on the internet. The solution I can offer is to create watermark using a Fourier transform to get a robust watermark. So that's the introduction of my final project. If you have a question or things you want to discuss, you can go directly through the comment section or contact me via social media. Thank you.